was like fashion designing करूँ कि interior करूँ. So I was in that gist.
Okay.
So from there my whole journey started. No thing called as perfect home. So there's thing called as what is making you comfortable. So it's always good that you should know car, you should know your bike, you should know your things very well. Please do it. Go ahead. Whatever you like, do it. Just start.
नमस्ते, मी ॲडव्होकेट टीरा धाडगे. कोणत्याही क्षेत्रात तुमची कामगिरी वाखाणण्यासारखी असेल, इतक्या लोकांशी मी बोलतीये ना, काहीतरी रोज नवीन शिकायला मिळतं. एकमेकांना मदत करण्यासाठी तुम्ही ही कम्युनिटी जॉईन करू शकता, पुणे वुमन्स क्लब. नमस्कार, मी ॲडव्होकेट नीरा धाडगे तुमचं सहर्ष स्वागत करत आहे पॉडकास्ट विथ नीरामध्ये. आज आपल्याबरोबर आहेत रिंकल शाह मॅम. वेलकम मॅम, आज तुम्ही आमच्या शोवर आलात.
Thank you.
रिंकल मैम निवासा डिज़ाइन एंड स्टूडियो के ओनर है. देन ओ माई नेल्स के ओनर है.
Yes.
अब मैम आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए, आपके कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया?
Yes. So I'm Rinkle Shah, owner and founder at Nivasa Design Studio, Oh My Nails and Raha Events.
Yes.
So where we do exhibitions also.
Okay.
I started my journey. So I'm born and brought up in Pune.
Okay.
So I started my journey when my dad had purchased a new house.
Okay.
And he wanted to get done the interiors. So we had appointed Rajiv Shah as an interior designer.
Okay.
So while talking to him, selecting for the house,
Yes,
that's
yes,
how
yes, yes.
all the ideas came in my mind. And creativity was from childhood.
Okay.
So I just, I was like fashion designing करूँ कि interior करूँ.
हाँ.
So I was in that gist.
Okay.
But then I was like clearly to this because even my dad told that go in interiors, it will be a great thing.
Okay.
So then I started studying and listening to my dad. So then the journey started. I did my course from INIFD,
Okay.
Koregaon Park,
Okay.
which is a diploma course. Then I worked for 9 years in this field
Okay.
with different good architects, well-known architects like Anil Ranka, Gaurav Shah, Sanjay Nevaskar, so all of these. And then I started my own studio in 2015.
Okay.
So from there my whole journey started again with the office and all. And after that I used to take builders projects and little bit more. And once I accumulated a good amount of money,
Yes.
then I started my own office, which is in Mukund Nagar currently.
Okay.
Yes.
कितने घर आपने अभी तक सजाए हैं?
I think more than 500.
500?
Yes, I started my
Oh.
journey in 2006. तो
Okay.
तब से internship plus like
Okay. Yes,
accumulating
yes, yes.
all the numbers.
और कितने लोगों का आपका टीम है अभी?
We have around 10 to 12, including contractors, vendors, and more than that, like actually.
Okay, okay.
And working staff, we have 2 people.
Okay.
Yes.
Any incident you wanted to share about your clients or your perfect home decor?
So there's no thing called as perfect home. So there's thing called as what is making you comfortable.
Yes.
So we like design according to their lifestyle, more of whatever they like.
Okay.
So I have currently a project which is like a Kerala. They are Keralites
Okay.
basically. So I have to go according to their taste. They want a proper traditional
Yes,
Keralite homes.
yes.
So I had to get all the raw materials what is used in Kerala. I made my research fully, and then I started doing and designing according to that base.
Okay.
So I have my designer, she's also helping with me, Priyanka.
एक घर आपको जो डिजाइन करना रहता
Yes.
है, उसके बैकग्राउंड, उनका हिस्ट्री, वो
Yes.
क्लाइंट को क्या चाहिए, क्या नहीं
Yes.
चाहिए, एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू स्टडी फ्रॉम द
Yes.
स्क्रैच.
Yes.
एंड
We need the details of like the main head, what he does, what is his priorities, what he wants
Yes,
exactly. Then kitchen goes in the female part, so she has to get involved in it.
Yes.
Kids, if they have to make their rooms, they will have to get involved in that.
Yes,
So
yes.
overall everyone comes in the
Yes.
picture, they have to face me.
Yes.
So that's how it is.
अभी तो कैसे बहुत सारे इमेजेस हम लोगों को गूगल पे मिल जाते हैं, तो
Yes.
लोग बता सकते हैं कि ये ऐसा है, ये
Yes.
वैसा है.
Yes.
बट पहले ऐसा नहीं था. पहले
Yes.
जो लोग बता रहे हैं उसको आपको इमेजिन करके फिर उसका डिजाइन बनाओ, फिर उसको
True.
करना है.
Yes.
इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट पार्ट.
True, very true. But what has happened is this Pinterest and everything is just for inspiration.
Yes.
We don't want to copy from it, but
Yes.
we can take an inspiration like
Inspiration
color
from it.
combinations and all of it.
Yes, yes,
But we make sure that we have our own designs.
Okay.
So that is our forte.
Okay.
Yeah.
निवासा, ये
Yes.
नाम कैसे रखा आपने?
So Nivasa is Nivas is house, and Nivasa is God's name, like Tirupati Balaji's name. So I believe him a lot. So
Okay.
that's why it came in my mind, and then just I was like, let's do it. Nivas
Nice.
plus Nivasa. So that's how
Nice.
it came. Yeah.
कितना आपको प्यारा लगता है आपका काम?
I love like anything. मतलब I can I can sacrifice anything, even my love life for that matter. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
like I'm dedicated to it totally. Till my death, I think I'll be to it. Yes, sir.
इंडिपेंडेंट होना कितना ज़रूरी है?
Very, very, very important.
How come?
Fully important. See, because I have faced few things in my life which has made me independent. मतलब पहले से पापा तो बोलते ही थे कि be independent, be independent.
Yes, yes.
But yes, like जो life के incidences होते हैं, for small things you cannot depend on your husband and your brother or whomsoever in your house,
Yes.
like father, XYZ.
Yes.
So it's always good that you should know car, you should know your bike, you should know your things very well,
Yes.
where you want to go.
Yes.
सब prepared होगा
Finance,
तो
everything.
everything will be good, and you will be stable by all the means, by mind and all. तो आपको depression and all नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
ये 100% for all females I would suggest, please do it, go ahead. Whatever you like, do it. Just start. ऐसे.
डिजाइनिंग अलग पार्ट है, आप
Yes.
नेल्स में कैसे आए?
So what happened was I said office double floor का मिल गया मुझे luckily.
Okay.
So I said एक floor खाली है, उससे अच्छा I should put my passion into something. So nails का एक मेरे को craze था पहले से, passion था.
Okay.
So I just started. I said let me start, let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Then it
कब
went
से
very
कर रहे
good.
हो आप नेल्स एंड दिस?
Just ये राम this thing was there, Ram Ayodhya thing.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
22nd Jan से मैंने office भी start किया, and I started with nails also.
ओह नाइस.
ऐसे. So full setup we have, everything is US products we use, good quality, good material, everything is taken care good.
ओके. इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बनने के लिए क्या हर्डल्स आते हैं, या फिर आपको क्या ऐसा डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट लगता है?
So as such difficult नहीं है. If you have passion, then you can take that difficulty as your challenge and do it. ऐसा है. So I feel कि तुम practice करो बहुत सारा, and if you work a lot, like 9-10 years if you are in a company,
Yes.
and then you go ahead with your own thing,
Business.
then it will make sense, because
yes.
you'll learn a lot out of what
Yes,
you
yes,
have
yes.
done for jobs. ऐसे.
कभी कभी
So-
सिर्फ सीखने से नहीं
हाँ.
होता, जब आप काम करते हो किसी के अंडर
Yes.
और जो गाइडेंस आपको मिलता है
Yes.
उनके काम का या उनके एक्सपीरियंस का,
Yes.
वो ज़्यादा कुछ सिखा देता है.
True, true.
बट बहुत लोग ऐसा नहीं करते, बहुत लोग डायरेक्टली सीखते हैं और जंप
जंप
डायरेक्टली
करते
खुद के
हैं, तो
बिजनेस
दैट
पे
इज
करते
रॉन्ग
हैं.
आई फील, बिकॉज
Yes.
यू डोंट नो कि टाइल कितना लगने वाला है
लगने
या
वाला
क्वांटिटी कितना लगेगा तुमको,
Yes.
यू डोंट नो दैट डिटेल स्टडी.
Yes, yes.
गो हैड डिटेल स्टडी करो, देन जंप इनटू आफ्टर
और
एक्सपीरियंस.
उनके एक्सपीरियंस का हम लोगों को ज़्यादा ये हो जाता है,
Yes.
गेन हो जाता है.
यस यस 100%.
Yes, yes. One advice if you wanted to give to other people, other women.
Just don't give up on anything in life. Life will give you challenges. कभी हार नहीं मानना है. जस्ट अनदर डे अच्छा होगा. अगर आज का दिन भी ख़राब है तो नेक्स्ट डे बहुत अच्छा होगा. सो नेवर गिव अप, लाइक वो थॉट में ही नहीं रहना है. जस्ट गो अहेड, एक वॉक करके आओ, कुछ चिट चैट करके आओ, कहाँ पे चले जाओ, मूड डिप्रेस्ड है, कोई कॉमेडी शो देख लो, डू समथिंग,
Yes.
लाइक जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ दैट जोन.
Yes, yes, yes.
दैट विल बी ग्रेट. ऐसे.
Nice. One rapid fire खेलेंगे हम आपके
Yes.
साथ.
Sure.
Your favorite book?
So I had one book, one second. I've read Bhagavad Gita. I've read this. I just forgot. Actually.
Favorite place?
Place. There are a lot of places. I love traveling actually.
Rapid fire.
So yeah. One place, Greece.
Okay.
Yes.
One food. Any
Food, pav
favorite
bhaji.
food? Oh, nice.
Yes.
अच्छा है. कोई तो पाव भाजी पे आया है. सब लोग पानी पूरी ही बोल रहे हैं.
No.
Favorite person?
Favorite person, like my brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Best advice you have received.
I have got received. You are very brave. Yes.
Okay. And worst advice.
Worst advice as such अभी तक आया नहीं है, but then you are very emotionally weak. बहुत पहले ऐसे
Okay.
आया था.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then I was like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
Yeah.
ऐसे हमारे रिंकल शाह मैम
Yes.
जिन्होंने अभी तक बहुत कुछ किया है एंड शी हैज़ अ न्यू बिजनेस
Yes.
जिसमें वो बहुत कुछ कर रही है. शी इज़ टेलिंग यू कि डोंट गिव अप. आपको कोई भी ये आ जाए, कहाँ पे भी आप हो, किसी भी मूड पे आप हो, बट डोंट गिव अप एंड डू समथिंग.
Thank you.